Hello everyone. Today we are here for spreading awareness for COVID 19. Your health is our priority. So, here is some community guide for novel coronavirus COVID 19. First one, what is novel coronavirus COVID 19? Novel coronavirus COVID 19 is a new strain of coronavirus that can cause respiratory infections in humans. It was first identified in December 2019 in China and has spread rapidly around the world. Most people who catch COVID 19 only feel mild symptoms, but some can get extremely ill. So, what is the prevention for that? First one, wash your hands. One of the most important ways to protect yourself from COVID 19 infection is to wash your hands well, and often this is the right way to do it. So, here is some process how you wash your hand. First, you take water, then take soap or any hand wash, then after rub your palms, then fingers, then thumb, then backside of your hand, then all fingers together from backside also, and then after clean with water, then wipe with the towel. So this is the good method for washing your hands. How is COVID 19 transmitted? Some strain of humans coronavirus is spread from one sick person to another through. It is by contaminated droplets in coughs or sneezes and contaminated hands and surfaces. So how can I avoid getting infected? The virus enters your body via your eyes, nose and mouth. So it is important to avoid touching your face without unwashed hands. So can I get sick from a person who is asymptomatic? So that the virus is transmitted mainly through the respiratory droplets that someone with COVID 19 secretes when coughing. The risk of getting COVID 19 diseases is diminished when the person is asymptomatic. But many people with the disease show only slight symptoms. This is especially true in the early stages of the diseases. Therefore, COVID 19 can be transmitted by a person who suffers from only a mild cough and does not feel ill. So, what are the symptoms if you get infected with COVID 19? COVID 19 infects the lungs. The incubation period lasts for up to 14 days and it takes an average of 5 days for symptoms to appear. A high temperature 38 degrees centigrade, tiredness and a dry cough are the main symptoms which can lead to breathing difficulties. Who is the risk of developing several illness? While we are still learning about how COVID 2019 affects people, older person and person with pre-existing medical conditions such as high BP, heart diseases, lung diseases, cancer or diabetes appear to develop more serious illness more often than other. So there is any vaccines or treatment for it? Till now, no specific cure or vaccine has been developed as the virus strain is new. Treatment is mainly supportive to help reduce the symptoms. Protect yourself from novel coronavirus COVID 19. Here is 7 ways to protect yourself. This is the best prevention ways for preventing to COVID 19. Keep physical distance and avoid close contact with anyone showing signs of respiratory illness. First one. Second, wash hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Rub palms, fingers and thumbs. Third, stay at home and follow the rules and advice of the authorities. Then fourth one, alternatively use an alcohol based hand sanitizer. Then fifth, cover cough, sneeze with a tissue disposed properly or cuff into your elbow. Then sixth one, if required, wear mask correctly and gloves to avoid direct contact with surfaces. And boost your immunity with healthy food, physical activity, plenty of water and enough sleep. This is the protection yourself from novel coronavirus COVID-19. Now, wearing a mask. This is the best prevention method and how you wear it. All members of the community are now encouraged to wear a mask when in public to ensure their own safety and that of others. These illustrations demonstrate the correct way to use a mask. First, wash hands well. Then second, place mask at cover mouth, nose and chin. Pinch the nose piece over your nose. Fourth one, fix mask using the straps behind the head or looping behind the ears. Make sure the mask cover the mouth, nose and chin. Remove the mask without touching the outer surface and dispose in the trash. This is the best wearing process of a mask. Cleaning and disinfecting around your home. Practices routine cleaning of frequently touched surface using proper disinfectants. High traffic areas include just floor, door handles, light switches, window handles, kitchen counters, taps and cupboard doors, fridge, oven, microwave doors, kettle, coffee machine, water cooler, bathroom surface, taps, shower doors and sanitary ware. So don't forget these things also: phones, computer keyboard and mouse, remote controls, bank cards, wallets, handbags, children's toy, hairbrushes, spectacles and sunglasses, interior of your car and door handles. Now, why staying at home can stop the virus? So here is, you can be infected with COVID-19 but show no symptoms. If you come in contact with others, there is a high possibility that you can pass the virus on 2 to 3 people, who in turn can pass it on to others and so on. That's how the transmission chain starts and continues. We have to break the chain by reducing the opportunity for the virus to spread. We reduce the number of people who get infected. As numbers decreases, the medical work lead will be reduced on doctors or nurse and health services. This can help the medical staff to provide better care to sick people to ensure fast recovery. This is called flattening the curve. Showing the spread of the infection is nearly as important as stopping it. Your community can make a difference in saving lives. It in your hands. So here is one graph. You can see here also. Here is number of cases without protecting measure. This is very high. And second one, number of sick people, reduce it most, stay at home. This is in blue color with protective measure. So with the stay home, we can prevent ourselves and our family members and others. So effective social and physical distancing. How it is effective? First one, stay at home. Second, work from home. Third, no handshake or hugs. Then fourth, no social gathering. Then fifth one, limit visit to grocery store or pharmacy. Now staying healthy and happy at home. Boost your immune system by following healthy lifestyle habits. Keep children and domestic helpers informed about the preventive measure against the novel coronavirus COVID-19. Third one, remember to wash your hands after receiving home deliveries and get rid of packaging. Next one, provide liquid soap and hand sanitizer throughout the house. Next, avoid social gathering, rather chat via smart apps. Encourage your children to stay active. First one, promote healthy behaviors for children such as healthy cooking skills. Then second, teach your children how to protect themselves from the novel coronavirus. It is inside the home or outside the home. It is better they will stay at the home. Now next one, encourage children to be physically active and safe at home with the exercise. Thank you everyone for giving your precious time. Thank you so much.